Hi everyone, no, we're starting again. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So, I am finally back. I'm starting YouTube again. I'm currently dying of heat, hot. I'm so hot. The heating's on because I'm trying to dry washing. So, this is just a little introduction to my channel. So for those of you who may or may not know me, or yeah, my life, my amazing, fantastic life. So this YouTube channel is going to be basically everything I love because currently... So my YouTube channel is going to be basically everything I love. I seem to spend all my time watching YouTube videos at home. I don't even watch TV anymore. So I wanted to make my own channel and put everything on it about me so that I can look back in a few years' time. I can show little Esme. I can show my family because I have the worst memory and everything's digital now. So I thought, hey, let's record my life. Let's show everyone and show my baby in the future what my life is about. So for any of you who don't know, sort of things I love and that you'll probably be seeing on this channel are Little Miss Esme related. I adore fashion, j'adore. I love fashion, so I'm sure there'll be some fashion videos on here, maybe outfit ideas. I love food, I love cooking, I love nutrition, I love fitness. I loved past tense going to the gym because I currently don't go. My boyfriend is a very, very keen fitness enthusiast, so I'm sure you'll be seeing him a lot on here. I love all things natural, so whether it's, I won't tell you what, you're gonna have to keep watching if you want to know what. I love watching vlogs. Basically, I love being nosy, so I want to kind of let you guys be a bit nosy into my life because not that I have an amazing life or anything, I'm very grateful for what I have, but just because the wonderful Wizard of Oz. So yeah, this is a really rubbish introduction video and I apologise, but I just wanted to kind of say a quick hello and let you guys know what to expect on my video. Someone is trying to talk. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you guys commented below, I'm from Wiltshire, commented below saying what you'd like to see from me, whether or not you know me, what would you like to see, what interests you on YouTube, what do you like to watch, and I would love to give it a go. Please like and subscribe so you get little notifications when I post a video. I'm going to be posting my first video about this one, so if you want to meet her, if you haven't seen photos of her already, please keep tuned, stay tuned. I'm sorry I'm bobbling a bit, she won't stop crying unless I shake her and give her a bit of a cuddle, so yes, thank you very much for watching my first coming back video. I do actually have a video I made about 3 years ago, but for some reason I can't remember the password and YouTube won't let me reset it, so I'm gonna have to start again. But if you want to watch that, I'll put it in the link below because it's a makeup tutorial. That's another thing I love makeup. So yeah, please help me out, inspire me, tell me what you want to see and I will give it my best shot. How do you turn this thing on?